Prices are still up and sales are still down. Hey, this is John Hagen, eXp Realty, looking at the Fargo, Moorhead, West Fargo real estate update for the month of January 2024. Looking at December 2023's numbers, comparing them to December 22 to see how the year ended out compared to the previous year. Next week, we'll do a video on all of 2023 versus all of 2022 and just see how the years stacked up against each other. So check that out when I post it. I'll let you know. All right, so overall, trends continued. Inventory went up, not as high in December, but it went up overall. And then sales were down throughout the whole year, not as low in December. December sales are always kind of low, so then no surprises there. We'll dive in here, get some more details. So our inventory being up 19%, not as high as other months in the past. However, it was higher. A lot of properties come off the market in December just because it's a lower time of selling. Sometimes they come off the market, then they're put back on in February, March of the next year. So probably you see some of those same properties listed next year. New listings down 20%, big drop here. Not many people list in December just because of the activity of the month or that time of the year. We'll probably see listings go up in February, probably March of next year or 2024. Price is up 7%, so not a huge increase, pretty steady with what we've seen all year. 7% is kind of typical for listing price going up year over year. It shows that sellers aren't discouraged by the way the market is. They're still hoping to get that amount that they've seen other houses sell for in their neighborhoods. Looking at sales, down 3% from last year, so not a huge drop. Previous months we've seen bigger drops. 3% isn't much of a drop at all year over year. However, it is still down. We want to see that go higher. We haven't seen it go higher than last year all year, so not surprising. It was a little uptick from November, which is actually kind of surprising with how the year's been. I expect sales to slowly increase February and March, and then we'll see what happens with interest rates. That could spike up sales, and then also if prices drop, that could spike up sales as well. Averages in the market, this is pretty much the longest it's taken all year on average. 27% slower than last year, so average of 52. Once again, that is an average overall price points. Of course, lower priced homes on average sell faster than higher priced homes, but we should see that speed up again March, April, and then May, June will be the fastest ones. Average sales price up 2% from last year, so not much of an increase at all. 2% year over year is actually really good. So of course, less sales in December to use as that average, but up 2%. So that's nothing really to worry about. If we saw 2% consistently, it'd probably seem low year over year. But what we've seen over the past few months, it's been higher than that. So it's nice to see it closer to last year's numbers on price, especially with interest rates the way they've been. Maybe we'll see interest rates come down, and then we might see prices go up with that. If you're looking to buy a home within the next year, know that inventory is a little bit up. Interest rates might come down, so the competition might increase depending on your price point. Know that. And then if you're looking to sell a home, just know that houses are still selling. If interest rates go down, sales will probably speed up. So that'll be in your favor too. All right, John Hagen, eXp Realty, helping you buy and sell smarter. Thanks.